So in this section we're going to have a look at the status tab, which can be found here. Effectively you've got two options. You have live, real time, and historic. So let's have a look at the live. You've got your vehicles, so your device, your type, who the driver is if you've got that detailed, the last known position. Again, you can click on this and see that on a map. The date and time of the last update and how long ago the update was. It also detail the state, the ignition status if it's a vehicle device, vehicle battery, any CAN bus that's relevant, and number of satellites. So not all devices will have this, depending on what device you have, depends on what you see. And again, you can look on it as a real time. You can see where it is, status, when it was disconnected or parked, should I say, disconnected from the network, and again the mapping as always in satellite mode. So that's real time. You can do it as oldest to newest, or newest to oldest, or oldest to newest, however you want to juggle those around. And that can be exported to PDF, CSV, Excel, or Word. You can also sort by type of asset. So for example, you might want to just look at your trucks, or your vans, or your people, or just trailers, or whatever you happen to have. Or a specific device or person, if you've got drivers, or by a state, i.e. not connected, all states, movement, parked. Device groups, so you may well have put your devices into groups, so cars, trucks, boats, whatever, or your people. So that is the sorting options. So effectively that's live and real time. You also have under this tab the ability to look back through historical. You have to do it by vehicle, and you can either look at a day or a range of days. So if we said from the 3rd to today, hit the search bar, it will then come back and display on the screen the information that you need. So again, total distance travelled, total time, stop time, fuel consumed if you've had that set up, the location, the status, speed in this case, ignition on, and status as we've explained. And again, you can look at this at any point by clicking the little I, the information, and that will tell you that it was travelling at 25 k's an hour along this road here, Victoria Street. Okay, and again, all of those can be exported by Word, Excel, CSV, and PDF. And that's status.